The truth is that 99% of the time, you don't need to hire a lawyer. And I'm happy to explain to you exactly what the process is going to look like so that you can feel comfortable with what's about to happen. And in that way, you're saving yourself money, and you're also gaining trust that we are going to be honest with your friends and family in the future. If you need an attorney, we would love the opportunity to come by your side because we want to be your best friends on your worst day. But sometimes just explaining the process is enough so that you don't need to spend any of your hard-earned money on us. So when do you need an attorney for a speeding ticket? If you are going more than 25 miles an hour over the speed limit, that's when you need to be concerned with points on your license, the possibility of a super speeder, or if you have a history of multiple speeding tickets. But if it's your first offense and you're driving under 14 miles an hour over the speed limit, you actually can pay that ticket online. And that's the only time that I will allow people to pay their ticket online. If you are going 10, 11, 12 miles over the speed limit and they put your fine on the computer screen, go ahead and pay it. The time where it becomes important to make sure you go to court is if you're driving 15 miles an hour or more over the speed limit. And that's because you will have points assigned to your license if you pay online. Pleading guilty to 15 miles an hour over the speed limit is a point on your license and will get reported to your insurance company. By going to court in person, you'll have the opportunity to talk to the prosecutor or the solicitor, ask them if they're willing to reduce the speed to 14 over, which most of the time they will if you have a clean history, and then you can plead guilty to the reduced speed charges. Now, sometimes the officer will look at your history, or maybe you're going 17 or 18 over the speed limit, and they won't want to reduce the speed that much. If that's the case, once every 5 years, you can plead NOLO, or no contest. By pleading NOLO or no contest, you can ask the judge for a 0-point order, and that means again that you won't have any points put on your license. These are the two main tools to avoid any problems with your license and make sure that you take the time to go to court, talk to the prosecutor, and get this deal. If anything out of the ordinary happens, if things don't go the way I've described, you absolutely have the right to request a new court date. They'll give you an extension, and then you can call me up and we'll talk about how to proceed on your case with an attorney by your side. So hopefully you can take care of this without me, but if not, give us a call. Again, we want to be your best friends on your worst day. Thank you. Your best friend on your worst day.